For the past few months, these explainer channels have been getting a lot of engagement and views. Just take a look at this channel with only 12,000 subscribers. One of their videos has hit over 668,000 views. Almost their videos have gotten over 100,000 views. And currently, they have only uploaded 15 videos so far. Now, this is just one among the many channels that I've seen making this style of explainer videos and getting a lot of views. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create this type of video, so you can create your own channel. Alright, so the first step is to open ChatGPT. Now, to save you guys a lot of time, I've already provided a very detailed prompt in the video description below. So, all you need to do is click on that link, and it's going to take you straight to a Google Doc file, where you'll see basically all the prompts you need to create your video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is copy the first prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click Enter. And immediately, ChatGPT will understand exactly what you want and start giving you video ideas on different subjects. Now, take your time here. Go through the ideas and pick one. For me, I went through them and decided to make a video on this topic. Every KFC menu item explained. Cool, right? Alright, so now that you have your idea, the next thing you need to do is copy that title and head back to the Google Doc file I provided. When you see the section that says Topic, just highlight that part and paste your title there. Then, copy the entire prompt and come back to ChatGPT. Ideally, you should use the same chat you used to generate the ideas. Just paste the full prompt there and click Enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will start writing a very interesting script that actually feels like it was written by a real human scriptwriter. Okay, so now that we have the script, the next thing we need to do is generate the voiceover using this script. For that, go ahead to Google AI Studio and paste the full script that we generated. Then select the voice you like and click the Run button. After a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Then just click the three dots and download it. Alright, now that we have both the script and the voiceover ready, the next step is to generate a prompt that will help you create your thumbnail using Whisk or any AI image generator of your choice. So, this is the prompt that ChatGPT has provided. Just copy it exactly as it is. Then open Whisk, or whatever AI tool you prefer, paste the prompt there, make sure you change the aspect ratio to 16:9, and click Generate. You'll get an image like this, which is perfect for your thumbnail. Alright, now it's time for us to put the video together. So, we're going to be using CapCut, but you can use any editing tool you prefer. I personally like CapCut because it's simple and perfect for what we're about to do. So, here's what you do. First, upload your voiceover. After that, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Then add a white background and place it on the timeline as well. And everything we're going to edit will be placed on top of this white background. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is generate captions that match your voiceover. I personally use the auto caption tool inside CapCut to generate mine, like this. It's quick and it saves a lot of time. Now, here's the important part. You basically just need to listen carefully to the voiceover. Then, go to Google and find visuals that clearly represent what is being said in that specific scene. So, you're matching visuals to narration. For example, in this part, I need an image of an original FFC chicken recipe. So, I'll go to Google, search for original FFC chicken recipe, and download a good quality image. Then, after downloading it, I'll import that image into CapCut and place it on the timeline so it aligns perfectly with the voiceover. That's it. And then, you just repeat this exact same process throughout your entire video. Listen to the voiceover, find the matching visual, import it, and align it properly.
A few moments later.
Alright, now let me quickly show you a small clip of the video I edited using this exact method.
Original recipe chicken. This is KFC's signature fried chicken, made with a blend of 11 herbs and spices and pressure fried to keep it juicy inside while crisp on the outside. It was created by Colonel Harlan Sanders in Kentucky in the 1940s, forming the foundation of the brand. What makes it different is the pressure frying method, which seals in moisture and flavor more effectively than standard deep frying. It matters because it defines the identity of KFC and remains one of the most recognized fried chicken recipes in the world.
So, go ahead, edit your video this way, and once you're done, export it.